To insert SIM card into Motorola Edge 70 Pro, you need to take a look at the bottom of the phone, and over here we should be able to find our SIM tray. We need to eject the SIM tray in order to, of course, be able to insert our SIM card. You will need to use the eject tool, which you should be able to find inside the box, and you need to put it into this SIM tray hole over here. So we're gonna put it in, and then once it is in, just like that, you should just push it into the phone to slightly poke it out. There we go. Now once it sticks out, you can use your fingernails or fingers to completely remove the SIM tray from the phone. And now over here we have our SIM card slot. This is the only SIM card slot that we have on this phone. Unfortunately, there is no dual SIM. And we just need to put the SIM card into its place. So of course, match the shape of the SIM card slot. Make sure that your SIM card does not stick out of the SIM tray. It should be fully inserted. And then we just need to put the SIM tray back into the phone and just slide it all the way in, push it all the way into the phone, make sure that it doesn't stick out, and it should go in pretty easily. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.